Hey team, Jerome again. I would just like to show you a quick update on the LED light assembly for the switches that we have. So the previous model, this one, the problem that I encountered with this one is that the battery sometimes does not stay in place, and the assembly, this part here, needs to be constantly pushed up like so to activate the light. And sometimes when it's not pushed in hard enough, the light will not go ahead and activate. So that's one of the concerns. That's why we have this notch here at the bottom of the base that pushes this area in so that the light will activate. Sometimes though, I still get the lights to not turn on even with that in there. So that's the problem that I wanted to solve. And this one here is the new switch assembly. So I made the hole at the center a little tighter, this part, so that it pushes into that switch and locks it into place, this part here. And I also added that notch at the top so that the battery stays in place, like so. And I've been playing around with this one and it seems to be working solidly than the previous ones. So the light is constantly, when I push the switch, the light turns on immediately, even if I move it around. And this way, I was able to remove the notch at the top of the base. There's no more notch in there. This time, the light can be oriented down at the bottom or at the top. So for the assembly, it's pretty straightforward, same as the last time. This guide, the contact guide, so you push it in, diagonal still on the right. That's where the negative pin will go. And then for your light, this one is the negative, the short one. The long one is the positive. And then put it in, like so. Then we fold the negative connector into place. This is a little long. So I'll explain in a bit why that one was slightly longer than the current ones that I have. Fold this in. Then I push this in. Once I push it in, it locks into place. And we just slide in our battery. So we just push this out to the side for a bit. And then we slide our battery in. We just push it in. And then it stays in place. And then we fold the positive connector. And there you go. As for the light, so this is an 1.8 millimeter LED light. It's very small, but it emits a very strong light. So you see, compared to this is a 3 mm on my right, and then the 1.8 on my left. So the light is more powerful on this 1.8 diode. I also have the 3mm flat top LED. Hold on, this is not it. Ah, no, this one is, yeah. So this is the flat top. I'm not sure if you can see that. And then this is the regular one, the 3mm. So the light is, I think this one is stronger on the right. And then the 1.8mm on the leftmost side. See the difference? The only problem I have with the 1.8mm is that the connectors are longer. So versus the standard ones. You have to snip the wire so that it doesn't go beyond the assembly. But the light is stronger though. I think I will go with the 1.8 on my LED assemblies. Just take a bit of time. It just takes a bit of time to cut off the excess connectors. So going back, let's see. I already have my lights. Now I'm missing one more. So one more. So I'm assembling it again. Guide diagonal on the right side, that's the negative, and then your light, negative on the right, positive on the left. So I'm doing another assembly here. Negative on the right, so that's the guide. So push that in. And then the battery holder goes in. Then the battery. There we go. So let's put that in. Um, so, um, then we have our so I have this other color here. Like that came out very nice.